Hello student, this is KK Bhatt. Today I am going to explain the exercise of the chapter, the last lesson of class 8 from the book of Living English. Dear students, in this sequence I am going to describe the first question A. See here, tick the most appropriate option. It means here are given 4 options. Among them, we have to choose the best option which is correct. Now see the question. Franz was embarrassed when he entered the class because option A, everyone would see that he was very late. I think it is wrong. He did not know the rule about participle. Why was he embarrassed? Because of he did not know the rule about participle. So option B is correct. Now come on question number 2. Mr. Hamill wore his Sunday class for his last lesson. See here, Mr. Hamill wore his Sunday class for his last lesson because option A, several elders and former officials were present in the class. See option B, he wanted to impress the German. Now see, those were the only class he had. And D, that is correct option. He wanted to mark the special day as it was his last class. That is the correct option because that is his last class. That is why he want to make a special day for himself as well as for the people who were collected there. I think now see the question number 3. Franz wished he could recite the rule of participle correctly. See here, option A, his teacher was very cranky. B, he did not want to be punished. C, he wanted to impress the teacher. D, he wished he had learned it well. The D is the correct option because on that day, when he knew that it was his last lesson, that is why he became sad and pay attention to hear the lesson which has been delivered by Mr. Hamill. I think D is the correct option. He wished he had learned it well. Now come on the question number 4. Franz and his classmates wanted to laugh and cry when Hauser spelled the letter because option A, he was choked with emotions and could not recite properly. He was an old man, but he was reciting letter with children. It was both funny and sad to see him in the class reciting letter. It was very strange to see an old man in the class with the children. What do you understand? I think here A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. See here A. Now see the question B. Think and discuss with your partner. Share your answer in the class. Now see here B. Oh, the races. That was what they had put up at the town hall. Here are 2 questions has been asked, A and B. Now see the question number A. The question number A. Who does the races refer to? It means the races means miserable. It refers to France. Your answer is it refers to France. Now see your second question B. What had they put up at the town hall? What had they put up at the town hall? Listen. They had put up the order which came from Berlin to teach only German language in the school. Listen once again. They had put up the order which came from Berlin to teach only German in the school. It means from tomorrow, you know well that from tomorrow French language has been banned. I think it is clear. Question number first and second. Now see B. I was amazed to see how well I understood it. The question is, why was Franz amazed? You can write the answer like that. Franz was amazed because that day he understood French lesson very easily. Once again, Franz was amazed because that day he understood French lesson very easily because he was paying attention to hear the word of Mr. Hamel. Now see here the second question B. Why did Franz understand? You can write like that. Franz understood it because he was listening the last lesson very carefully. Once again, Franz understood it because he was listening last lesson very carefully. Now see third question. What will they make them sing in German, even the pigeon? Who is this? Who is they? Your answer is they are German authorities. Who is they? They are German authorities. Now B. Why does Franz think this? Franz thinks THINKS. Franz think this because German imposed their language on French as they were dictated by them. Once again, Franz thinks this because German imposed their language on French as they were dictated by them. I think it is clear to all. Now see, work in pairs. Imagine that year later, Mr. Hamel is interviewed about his last French lesson in school. Role play the interview. That is a role play, and you can take an interview like that. You can ask a question by your own self, and Mr. Hamel just reply by his own way. So that is your activity works. Now see D. Write the answer. The question number first. What Bustle could normally he heard when school began? Now see, now hear the question once again. What Bustle could normally be heard when school began? किस तरह के bustle सुनाई पड़ते हैं? Children are crying, they are making noise, but generally on that day they are say, so you can imagine the answer like that. There was a great bustle, comma, the opening and closing of desk, comma, lessons repeating sounds, and teachers' great ruler rapping on the table. What bustle could normally be heard when school began? The answer is there was a great bustle, comma, the opening and closing of desk, comma, lessons repeating sound, and teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. In this way, you have complete your answer D first. Now come on the answer of second. In what way had the classroom changed in the 40 years that Mr. Hamel had been teaching? It means you have to describe the differences. So say here, villagers were sitting on the back benches. It means before this such type of events never happened. So your answer should be like that. आपका आंसर होगा villagers were sitting on the back benches to give him farewell. Listen once again. Villagers were sitting on the back benches to give him farewell. Full stop. Everybody was serious and listening him more carefully to learn their native language. Say here once again. Everybody was serious and listening him more carefully to learn their native language. I think question number 2 is clear. Now see question number 3. Question number 3D. Why were Franz and the old men of the village sorry? Were they sorry for the same reason? Your answer? They were sorry for not paying attention toward their native language. It means mother tongue. Your answer? They were sorry for not paying attention to their mother tongue. It means French language. Were they sorry? Yes. Your answer is yes. They were sorry for the same. Yes. They were sorry for the same. I think your answer A, B and D has been completed. Now we are going to discuss on question number E. Work with a partner and discuss. I had counted on the commotion to get to my desk without being seen. The question is, what does count on something means? Count on something means noticed by someone. Noticed by someone. Commotion means loud sounds of disorders and confusion. Why was Franz counting on the commotion? Your answer? Franz was counted on the commotion because that day everything was quiet as Sunday morning. See once again. Franz was counted on the commotion because that day everything was quiet as the Sunday morning. Now see here the second of E. Jesus had brought an old primer thumbed at the gaze. Thumb as a verb means to put your thumb on something again and again. What does thumbed at the edge means? Why does it make a book look? Why do you think Hauser had brought it? Here are 3 questions. So answer like that. Thumbed at the edge means old Hauser was putting his thumb again and again on the letters as Mr. Hamill was reading. Listen once again. Thumbed at the edge means old Hauser was putting his thumb again and again on the letters as Mr. Hamill was reading. Next question. Old Hauser had brought an old primer KG book with him as he wanted to learn his native language that day. They never pay attention toward it. Now see third question. What thunderclap these words were to me? Why did the word sound like a crash of thunder to Franz? What word could you use instead of thunderclap here? Now see the third question. The words were like a crash of thunder to Franz as their native language, French, was going to be banned and German language was imposed on them. Listen once again. The words were like a crash and thunder to France as their native language. French was going to be banned and German language was imposed on them. We could use unexpected and shocking word instead of it. It means in place of thunderclap, we could use unexpected and shocking word instead of it. I hope it is clear to all. Okay. Thanks to watch my video. I hope everyone subscribe, like and share in your group. Thanks once again.